Hi, this is Michael with Michael Beach Coaching and Consulting. I've got Layla with me again today for another Manager's Minute. We want to talk to emerging leaders, those of you who are new managers, about some of the rookie mistakes that inexperienced managers make. One of the most frequently made rookie mistakes by managers is trying to do everything. Coming up with a list of 20 or 25 priorities and getting your team whipped into a frenzy, or getting yourself whipped into a frenzy, just trying to do too much at once. So here's my advice for you. Focus on a vital few. Figure out 3, maybe 4, good gosh, if you have to, at most 5 things that you're going to focus on and stay focused on until you get them done. And then, once you've told everybody, here's the 4 or 5 things we're going to work on, and we're going to stay focused on them till we get them done, you start driving to the finish line, and you get them done. Few rather than many, and get them done. See you next time.